Upon opening the overhead compartments, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you.
Welcome to Malaysia, ma. Charing. So, maghihintay pa sa ano ni Madam, luggage niya. Ano ba ang greetings here in Malaysia? Malaysia, truly Asia.
Tumabi ka na lang sa amin.
Yeah?
Wala kami katabi.
Sana nag-message ka, Day?
Wala na, nasa ano na tayo.
Diyos ko, amoy ulam ang puta. Tapos nandaldal pa. Oh, di nag-open siya sa atin. Okay sana kung gwapo eh. Damay dim. Uy, racist tayo. Tapos he wants to exchange numbers. Diyos ko. Ay, busy akong tao. Parang hindi ako nilalayuan ng mga Muslim Ganon din naman sa UAE Your passport May instruction naman doon, may naghihintay sa atin. Kaya lang kunin muna natin yung luggage ni Madam. You wanna go to the CR first? Okay. Ito, pag nawala ka dyan. May biryani.
Thank you, next din ako babalik.
Malay mo. Which do you prefer? Malaysia or Thailand? Thailand. Kapong ka. Hurry up kasi may naghihintay sa akin na Ito yung nila. Sinusundan namin yung sa tour guide. Ayun. Sa right ako umuupo. Mga boy sit kayo I was sitting in the right side. I thought, because in the Philippines, the driver's seat is on the left.
It's on the left, yes.
And this is Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And this is brother, Abba. What's your name, brother?
Sarawak.
Sarauna. Madam. May 2 madams over there. I am their personal assistant. Yawat na. kami. At syempre kakain naman sila. Pang-5 kain na niya. So yun daw ang gusto niya. Tapos ako nanunuyo na lahat.
Birthday mo.
Tapos na birthday mo. Ay, hindi pa pala. Si Kuya driver nandun. Inano niya kami. May utang kaming 100 ringgit kay Pat. Doon daw malapit sa maraming palitan doon, tsaka SIM card. Oy Dorothy, huwag kang gumagawa ng sarili mo lakad Sige ka, pag ikaw na nawala dito, bahala ka sa buhay mo Right, there you go. Aren't you calling the second tallest building? So this is the city, right? There's the Twin Tower! There! It's right on your left side. There, Look at this moss behind it. Sorry. Ayun o, over there. Right there, oh. Twin Tower. So we will go to the city. You know.
Okay, that's shopping mall. Times Square.
Times Square shopping mall. O yun. At... Lagi, hindi pa dito. Are Chinese?
In this area or?
Yeah.
Yeah, in this area the most people are Chinese.
Here's the 5 elements. There you go. Oh! In Thailand, it's already... Thailand, Malaysia pala, boy set. Oh, first night pala in Malaysia. This is all Chinatown. Let's go na. Oh, we're going to the right. Yeah. Uy, ang daming mga Pocahontas. Oh, makikita mo yan. Crowded pala tong ano, city pala siya. Nail slots. Wait lang, hanap tayo. Where? Ah, right there. Oh, parang ano to, karinderya. Yeah. Yummy. Huh? Tolak daw, tolak. Dalawa, oh. Oh, it's a long... Ano yun? Yung parang model na ano? Ha? Loma na. Yan, yung dalawang tangi. I'm going to upload this in YouTube. Sharon. Para lang kayong mga ano. Kamusta naman ako? Oh, nakapajama. Pat in PJs. Malaysia. Truly Asian. We're going to 7-Eleven to buy SIM cards. A while ago, it was really crowded. And we did not bring our passports. That's why we're unable to buy SIM cards. Yeah. This is their 7-Eleven. And the two pangits. Yan, hindi na siya crowded. Oh, sayaw!